everyone. I just wanted to show you all the best way, in my opinion, to remove the tendons from chicken tenders, aka tenderloins. It's so easy and efficient. So you know how you make one long, smooth cut through wrapping paper without really opening and closing the scissors a bunch? Well, it's about the same concept. Place your chicken tender on the cutting board, tendon facing up and towards your body. With one hand, grab the tendon, and with open scissors in your dominant hand, gently slide the scissors while pulling on the tendon. You might need to open and close the blades just slightly to help it move along till it gets fully off. I just think this method is the easiest without fighting a knife to cut through the end of that tendon. It takes off less extra chicken as well. You won't be left with any of that embarrassing chewy tendon after you cook your tenders. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please be sure to like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.